Welcome to Erin's Design with Line. I'm Erin Conover-Murray. I'm hoping you'll watch this video today because my job is to help people become happier in their home. And I would like to help inspire you for your next remodeling or decorating project. So today, I'm going to tell you a story about this bathroom that we just completed, and it's turned out beautifully. We've increased storage in the vanities, and I'll touch on that in a second. But what we started with was the bathtub. The homeowners, they love to take a soak together, probably with some wine. And so we had to really search for a tub that was comfortable for 2 people, which is not an easy task. We decided on this tub from Victoria and Albert, and it's exceptionally comfortable. And they have this amazing composition in their formula that helps the tub retain even more heat so that your soak stays really warm and cozy the entire bathtub experience. Another thing that I wanted to tell you about is, from a budget savings standpoint, it can always help people when we need to mix. And so I used another vendor for the tub filler. This is from Moen, and it pairs beautifully with this tub. And I really like this guy because it has a special wand that's great for cleaning or shaving legs. So very practical. The homeowners were not exactly sure about my suggestion to add a chandelier over the tub because I sort of like to crown it and make a big design impact statement. And they were a little bit concerned about hitting their head, getting in and out. And so we went back and forth with that, talked about options, and luckily they decided to go with it. And I just think it looks great. It just sort of tops off the entire focal point. So exciting. Another thing that I want to show you is over here. So in the previous bath design, the vanities were 2 different sizes and they had limited storage. They did have a large linen closet, and my plan was to eliminate the linen closet because I wanted to make the shower larger. But as everyone knows, in a bathroom, space is at a premium. So I had to solve that, and I solved it in 2 ways. One way was to add this tower of cabinet storage and move the sink off center so that offers more drawer storage that way. They have 3 drawers there, 2 drawers there, and then some big doors there. But this little tower is a fantastic amount of storage, and I always have my contractors put electrical in here because then your toothbrush, your razor, hair dryer, curling iron can stay plugged in and easy to access. I just love little bits of storage. So fun. And then another thing, just for aesthetics, is we added a little bit of round to the space because things were becoming very clean and contemporary and hard edge, and I wanted to remember the softness of the tub, so we repeated it with the mirrors over the vanity. One of the things that I like to consider when designing a bathroom is the shower. And I really wanted to increase the size of the shower. But since we were going to be putting in such a large tub, I didn't have the luxury of moving the shower to a different space. So that's why I took out the linen closet that was here and increased, almost doubled the size of their shower. And this door swings both ways. That way you can access the controls without having to step into the shower or get wet. And the niche is on the hidden side, and that way they can load it up with oodles of product and not have to switch it over into pretty containers. I decided to show you the closet that comes off of the bathroom for this project. The clients decided to go ahead and remodel their closet while they were doing the bathroom. And a lot of times when I'm redoing a bathroom, we start to get into the closet and we start to talk about the surface of the floor. Most closets tend to have hardwood or carpet, And I often suggest tile because it's more affordable than hardwood and it's more cleanable than carpet. So I just wanted to show you how beautiful a closet can look. And I sort of feel like it increases the space of their bathroom and feels really spa-like. So it's kind of weird that I'm showing you a closet since I do mostly kitchen and bathrooms. This closet's pretty cool. One of the things that I love about my job is that each client teaches me something special every project. And I wanted to share with you what I learned on this bathroom project. The client decided to put her towel storage directly over her vent. And I had it placed back here buried because I typically don't want to see that. And she said, no, I want it pulled out and I want it directly over where I'm going to hang my towels because in the winter, it will heat my towels. I thought that was brilliant. So I'm actually going to be pulling out the HVAC now in my plans. And then I touched on the fact that I did eliminate the linen closet from the plan to make the shower larger. And I had to prove to the clients that I would get that storage back to them. And so I did it by adding the 2 vanity towers on top of the vanities. And then we added this bank of cabinets with some open shelving. And now they have even more storage. So we achieved more storage than the linen closet previously had. And we got a larger shower. And then we got to tuck the toilet back just a little bit further. So I hope that you are inspired for your next design project. Cheers to being happy at home.